Okay, so our today's next video is a single type closed circulatory system. So as you guys all know, in the previous video I told you the example of the closed type circulatory system. First one was fish, then reptiles, amphibian, then birds. So today we are only discussing about the fish, that what the fish is having the circulatory system, like which kind of closed, single, what type of. So they are having a single type circulatory system. What does it mean? It means that they are having a single type circulatory system, but what does it mean? As you guys all know, in the previous video I told you guys that they are having two chambers. Okay, they are having two chambers. So we are first one we are having, that is heart. And as you guys all know, in heart we are having two chambers. That first one is the ventricle and second one is the atrium. Okay, so this one was two chambers, but they are also having a parts. So first one part, that is the sinuses venuses. Okay, in the next video we are having, that is the bulbous bulbosus arteries. Okay, after that we are having, that is aorta. Okay, so aorta, as you guys all know, we are having a ventral aorta, which means downward, and that is the dorsal aorta, that is the upward. Okay, so what is these are the parts and the heart chamber. So what does it means by the single type circulatory system? That means that blood that flow from one direction, blood that flow from one direction, which means that is the unidirection. Which means in this fish, the heart basically only the deoxygenated blood enters. Deoxygenated blood enters. Okay, not oxygenated. Only the deoxygenated blood will enter into the heart just one time. Okay, so that is the unidirection, that in heart only the deoxygenated blood is entering. Okay, so here you can see that I have make here a fish and the diagram of the fish. Here you can see that this is atrium, these are arteries, which is, for example, you are having coronary artery, carotid artery, caudal artery, systematic, sorry. So there is a dorsal aorta. Okay, which means upward. Okay, as you guys all know, in the video I said you guys ventral and dorsal. So in aorta we are having, this one is the dorsal aorta and this one is the ventral aorta, and these are what, these are gills through where the blood basically from deoxygenated will change into the oxygenated, that I am also telling you. And this one is the bulbous, you can say that the arteries that actually maintain the blood pressure. In this we'll be also talking about this. Let me give you the overview that what we'll be discussing today's video. This is the ventricle, this is the ventricle, this is the chamber, as you guys all know, and this is the atrium, this is the second chamber, and these are all the parts of the body. Okay, this is sinuses venuses, which means that they are the, here this is the sinuses. What does it mean? It means there is a space, there is a body cavity. Body cavity, venuses, this is word is come from the from the veins. So this is means this is the cavity of the veins, so where the veins are existing. These are the capillaries where the gases exchange, as you guys all know, and these are the veins, for example coronary, carotid and caudal. So as you guys all know, first of all, from capillaries the gases exchanged. Okay, so the gases exchanged, and after that we are having what, we are having of veins. Okay, so if we talk about veins, so what is the work of the, we will be talking about coronary, carotid as well as caudal. Okay, so if we talk about coronary, so we are having coronary, that is, and as well as we are having carotid. Okay, after that carotid we are having caudal. So what does it mean? In coronary we are having example, that is, which means that vein, these are the types of vein. For there are a lot of veins, but these are the I'm just giving you the overview. Okay, so this is the coronary vein, which means that carry deoxygenated blood from heart. Okay, and this is carotid. This carry the deoxygenated blood from the head region. Okay, after that we are having caudal vein. That means that carry deoxygenated blood from kidney. Okay, so here you can see that we are having a kidney. Okay, after that if you talk about, so that is, what does it mean? After that we are having what? Veins open into the accessory chamber, that is sinus venosus. Okay, so veins actually open into the sinus venosus. Okay, accessory chamber, that is sinuses venosus. Okay, so after that we are having this one, that veins will open into the sinus venosus. After that we are having a, you can say that we are having, you can let me give you the pathway that what we have discussed actually. So heart pumped the deoxygenated blood from heart moves to the veins. Okay, after veins we are having sinus venosus. After that we are having atrium, that is the real chamber. Here you can see atrium. After that we are having ventricle, bulbous, you can say that the bulbous arteriosus. Okay, so here you can see that atrium. After that, that is real chamber, that is ventricle, that is the larger chamber. After that, bulbar arteries, we are having a ventral aorta. Okay, ventral aorta, this is what? This is a big artery. This is the big artery. After that we are having gills. Okay, so here you can see that after bulbous aorta we are having ventral aorta. After that we are having a gills. Okay, so let me give you the what is bulbous aorta. That is basically the capacity, that is swollen part that basically maintain a blood pressure. Okay, blood pressure. So this is the proximal part of the ventral aorta. Okay, so after that, through heart to ventral aorta we were having deoxygenated blood. After that, when the deoxygenated blood moved to the gills, so gills is having a ability to change the deoxygenated blood into the oxygenated blood with the help of the oxygen. So deoxygenated blood will convert into the oxygenated blood. Okay, so through gills we are having a, through the arteries. Okay, so we are having arteries, so gills to the arteries, coronary. Okay, so arteries we are having through arteries, as you guys all know, we are having arteries through gills to arteries, that we are having a coronary artery, carotid and systematic. So after that, as you guys all know, we are arteries, so we are having a carotid, second one caudal, and second that one, that is the coronary. So coronary will you can say that take the blood to the heart, oxygenated blood, and carotid will move toward the head region and caudal will move toward the heart region, and this one coronary will move toward the, that is the you can say that heart, to the heart, and you can say that the this one, what was this? Yes, so this carotid will move toward the heart, and this one we are having, that is the caudal, that will blood to the heart but oxygenated, and this will be moved toward the, you can say that the head region. So these all basically, as you can see that O2 utilized blood become the oxygenated blood from the gills. So here you can see that only one time the deoxygenated blood has been moved. So through this, the basically this is was the single type circulation of the fish. Okay, in the next video discuss about the amphibian, that was frog.